Remove the caps from each of the 2 filling holes on the ballast tank. Using a large funnel, pour the sand into the tank. Fill the tank with at least 600 pounds of all-purpose or medium grain sand. Do not use the lift until the tank has been filled. Replace the caps to seal the tank. Roll the lift to designated position on the deck. Lock the wheels. Turn the handle of the brake foot clockwise until it is firmly in contact with the deck. Install fixing bolt. Stand behind the lift and tilt it back and forward, engaging the pins in the slots. The lift will rest flat on the deck. Your Patriot is now ready to use.